Hey, welcome to another DIY video from Keystone RV. Today we're going to perform a very simple DIY, replacing a shower head and hose on your Keystone RV.
Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place. But first, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos.
There's one thing we need to ensure when replacing the new hose and shower head. We need to make sure the washers are in place to keep it from leaking. The shower head and hose should only be hand tight to remove, and the same when reassembling.
Okay, Matt, let's head up there. I'll show you how to do it.
All right. So when we're replacing the shower hose and head, make sure the faucets are off. Unscrew the fitting from the bottom of the faucet. Pull your hose out. Hook up your hose attachment to the bottom of the faucet. Go ahead and feed the new one through the wall anchor. Hook up your shower head. Hand tight, and then test for leaks. Here are the three big takeaways. No visit to the service shop, which saves you time and money. It was very easy, and it didn't require any tools.
If you found this video helpful or have other suggestions to camp better, leave us a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos. You can also download the My Keystone app or visit KeystoneRV.com to see all of our content. What's this for?